Hi, this is Sanjay Gangal from GIS Cafe. I'm here with Rudy Wagner, Product Manager at Airborne Imaging Sensors at Leica Geosystems. Hello, Rudy.
Hello, Sanjay.
Rudy, how's the show been going for you?
It's been very good. I think it's been a very good success for us. You can see plenty of people. Of course, the second day generally is the day where you have most of the people more interest than in the first day. But I think both days have been very good, and we're looking forward to a great third day.
That's great. And what are you showing here at your booth?
On the airborne sensor side, we're actually having our whole product range from the large format imaging cameras to the medium format imaging cameras and our LiDAR sensors as well, plus workflow that we can demonstrate to our customers, new releases that we are showing and new products that we are showing.
Can you tell us about the new releases and new products?
Sure, we've got 3 new press releases ahead of the show that we've actually released. We have all the products that are related to those press releases here and can demonstrate those. On the medium format camera side, we've just announced our new latest medium format camera product, the Leica RCD30, which is going to be a standalone or a version to be running with an ALS system, with our LiDAR system. That product's going to be released probably in Q1 2011. And what's unique about the camera, and I think we're actually fairly proud, it's one of the first, well, I would say it is the first medium format 60 megapixel camera that can record red, green and blue and near infrared multispectral imagery for photogrammetric applications.
Okay, and who is this camera targeted towards?
It's, as I said, it's probably one of the key markets is, of course, for us with our current ALS users. As you know, we have been for quite some years offering a fused sensor that allows you to take LiDAR imagery in combination with a medium format camera that's controlled by our software, so everything is integrated and can be operated as one. But we increasingly see a market, of course, for customers that are still trying to get into the digital market, into the digital airborne sensing market, and are looking to replace their analog cameras, but for those who have lower investment thresholds or who just want to fly smaller projects but still maintain photogrammetric quality and compete on projects that actually have to or have the requirement to have multispectral imagery as a deliverable, for those I think the RCD30 is a really good and affordable alternative that provides all the things that you're normally just used to get from a large format camera.
Can you also tell us about some of the other announcements?
Sure, we've been for the past year very heavily working on our Leica ADS80 workflow, Leica X Pro. We have one major new release coming out with a new module, and I think that's going to be very, very good for our customers as an additional feature. Everybody is looking for what else can I provide with my large format imagery, not only orthophotos, but what can I do in the areas of remote sensing, and of course the ADS has been established very much there. But we've now added a functionality to extract DSMs from the image data, not only to the quality that you normally, of course, know from point clouds that are generated by LiDAR, but the advantage is that you can now extend this to large areas with the same accuracy, and in the next step we will be able to provide this at the speed that our customers currently are using on the orthophoto market. So you're really going into near real-time processing environment that really hopefully propels this technology and makes people use more image data to not only generate spectral information and geometrical information, but also extract now elevation data from the imagery.
Any other, anything else that you wanted to add?
Yeah, on the LiDAR side, we've made a technology announcement for our new LiDAR technology, which goes now to 500 kilohertz and double the scan rate. I'm not the expert for that. My colleague Ron Roth, of course, would be those. And for those of the viewers that actually are still here at the show when they see this, please come and visit us at our booth, or of course go to our webpage or contact Ron Roth directly to learn more about this. I don't want to speak out of my own environment.
Okay. And what's the best way to learn about these new products?
It's always good to come to the shows. Of course, here we are very present with all our product managers. This is a very important event for us. But we increasingly, of course, over the year and throughout the year engage with our customers. We are always accessible. Most of our customers know our details by heart. I can be easily contacted. If you phone up Leica Geosystems and you ask for myself, you will be put through to my desk. But generally, of course, the first access is our webpage, www.leicageosystems.com. And we now have our own webpage on the airborne sensor side, which is http://di.leicageosystems.com. And from there, going forward, you will have specialized information on new releases, events, contact details, case studies, applications, and so forth. You will be able to find on that webpage.
That's great, Rudy. Have a great show.
Thank you very much, and thanks for taking the time, Sanjay.